Stylish 3 living levels. Open floor plan, hardwood FLS, crown moldings, granite counters, stainless appliances. New family room, fireplace, wet bar, full bath. Patio and deck overlooking the lake, sunset views. Living room open to dining and kitchen west/gas fireplace and hardwood floors. Slider leads to spacious deck overhead pergola, sitting area and room to dine. First floor bedroom and full bath on main. Second floor expansive master suite west/gas fireplace, walk-in closet with handsome wood built-ins and additional double-door mirror closets. Full bath with soaking tub, separate shower. Charming third bedroom with window seat. Electric vehicle outlet at driveway. Optional community beach and boat dock through the association $575. Commuter location with quick access to restaurants and shops. Low taxes. 1 hour NYC, Mins to NJ Transit.